I just wanted you guys to see a tool that you can put in your shop, that you can freaking have fun with, and still be, and it's a how-to. This is definitely a how-to, because guess what? I got to build this thing. I got to follow somebody else's instructions. I've got to do it their way. I've got to show you my slip-ups and bumps and oops and whatever, and I'm going to show you everything pretty much uncut. I'm going to cut out some of this babbling I'm sure I'm doing, because I really don't like babbling in the videos if I can help it, but this thing is awesome. Check out BOBs CNC. Don't take my word for it. Watch the video, see how we're doing everything, and you need to do your own research. Today's one of the most exciting days in my shop, and it's because I got a new tool, but it's one of those tools where it's a little bit more to it than just a tool. I have purchased me a KL744 BOBs CNC 48 by 48 inch CNC router. This thing is freaking gonna be awesome. It's 48 inches by 48 inches cutting area, but it's got almost a 72 inch by 72 inch area for the footprint. The key to this thing is you get to put it together yourself. Some people may be dissuaded by that, but I think it gives me more of an understanding of how my machine will work if I put it together. Now, also, it helps out with the price a little bit. I'm gonna start working on getting this thing put together, and the first thing we've got to do is unpack it, get all the birch plywood pieces out, and then we're going to seal them with some waterborne polyurethane. Alright, so you get your BOBs KL744 in 5 boxes. They come very well packed with plenty of everybody's favorite packing peanuts, and they are very well labeled. Each part is individually labeled in your smaller boxes. The bigger boxes with the birch plywood, they are not labeled as such, but they are very well packed, and you can figure those parts out using the manuals. In the smaller boxes, you have things like your router, your dust boot, your chain guides, your servo motors, your control boxes, your power supplies, and many other things that you're going to need for this project. They also include a packing slip, so you need to take that packing slip and double check that everything's there. I did find one thing that was missing, but I'll save that for the next video. And I've also found that everything is just, I mean, it's almost perfect. It's almost perfect. So you're gonna have fun unpacking this thing. so that took approximately 10 minutes to unpack, and that's including me being the, whatever you want to call it, that I am, to pick up the packing peanuts after they fell on the floor. Hey, what can I say? I'm that dad that has the trash bag at Christmas and makes everybody put their wrapping paper in a trash bag, and then I take it out because I don't want to lose anything. All right, a couple of quick things. Number one, I'm still sweating like crazy. Number two, this video was not sponsored by BOBs CNC, nor anybody at BOBs. Everything I'd heard up to this point said their customer service was on point, and I can attest that so far at 8 o'clock Georgia time, maybe 8:30 Georgia time, Bob answered the phone. Bob himself answered the phone in Missouri to answer my wife's questions, because she was calling, without me knowing, she was calling to ask some questions. He answered the phone personally. So I'm telling you, when I say 100% customer service-wise, so far, it has been nothing but impressive. I can't remember what point I'm on, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Make sure you check the boxes very well as you're emptying the packing peanuts. I was kind of looking, eyeballing, making sure, saw me run my hands through there, make sure I'm not missing anything. I'm probably not going to throw these 2 trash bags away now until I'm done putting these things together. And I've only got the wood part sitting out here. I've got a box full of homing switches and power supplies, and I've got a stepper motor. I'm not going to get those out right now because there's just no reason. We're not even close to that point. I just wanted to show you the unpacking part of it. Now we get to break all this down and then seal everything. biggest thing on Bob's, he talks about being patient and attention to detail. So if you're not, and I know you are because you're watching a how-to channel and you're a how-to hero, don't be intimidated. It's so far it looks pretty well laid out. Again, I've heard 30 hours to put this thing together, and you know what? What's time? 30 hours from now will still be 30 hours from now, right? So why not get a machine that I can have fun building and putting together? Check it out, see what you think. Thanks for watching.